Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I want multiple Facebook accounts. So this is my software I'm currently using to manage multiple Facebook accounts. So you can see on the screen that I already logged into multiple Facebook accounts through this software. And first is the account management. This function you have to add and manage multiple Facebook accounts. And you can log in the Facebook account through this function. And you can see that I already have a multiple Facebook account. And if you use multiple Facebook account like this, I recommend you guys to use the proxy, and in the software have the proxy manager, so you can also add the multiple proxy in here, and the software will manage for you. So you can choose the proxy that you want and choose assist the proxy, and next you will choose the account you want to add proxy and choose assist. And by this you can change the IP the account that you want. Okay, next to warm up multiple Facebook account, I will go to account integration. So to make account warm up, I will make a custom script, and to make that your account just like a normal user. And you can in this software you can make a general interaction like read notifications, scroll new feed, like watch new feed, or you can choose scroll stories, scroll video, interaction to random video, interaction with real, or interaction with friend, or you can interaction with a page or group UID, or interaction with a group by keyword, and you can enter the keyword in here, or by UID, and you can enter the UID of the friend that you, or the Facebook profile that you want, or you can interaction with your friend. Yeah, and after you make your script that you want, I press save to save your script. And next I will choose the account that you want to warm up and choose the script that you already add. And after everything set up, I will start and let the software do the work. So yeah, you can see on the screen that the software will auto open the browser like this, and will also log into the account that I choose, and will use this account to interact with the script that I already set up. So basically, I should show you how I warm up multiple Facebook accounts. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need software or more information, you can get. So basically, I just show you how I warm up multiple Facebook accounts. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need software or more information, you can contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.